Hello YouTube, in this video I'm gonna review the Swiss military travel charger for car which has got a 3-pin plug. I'm gonna show you some spec of it and I'm also gonna review the overall functionality by literally plugging the original plug or the adapter of MacBook, and let's see how it performs. But before I proceed, I want you to please subscribe to Left Lane Driver channel and hit that bell notification icon so you get notified about each video upload. So, where did I buy it from? Yeah, you must have guessed it already. It's from the Amazon. In Amazon, I bought it for 2,183 bucks. That was a kind of sweet deal for the brand name Swiss Military. At first, looking at more than 1100 people have bought it, I thought just to take it a shot. So I bought it and I got it delivered in just 2 days. After receiving the product, I was quite impressed with the fit and finish of the product. It was quite handy. It is just size of a normal coffee cup holder and it has got the 12-volt socket plug in it. The name Swiss Military, I am not sure. Let's see about the functionalities. So it comes with one USB port. The body has got good insulation, also the vertical slats, they allow to have a good heat dissipation. The specs said it supports DC 12-volt socket. Also at the bottom it has got a ventilation fan just to dissipate the heat faster. On the above it has got the on-off switch, a USB port and a 15 amp 3-pin classic socket. Overall it has got a really good fit and finish. I was using a Blopon 12-volt USB socket. Please excuse the car's cleanliness. Yeah, we all run short of time. So I removed that one quickly just to make sure that if this so-called Swiss military car travel charger works or not. It fits right perfect in the cup holders. The satisfactory click of the switch, yeah, good one. At first, there was no power supply, so I had to just figure out the connection was made right. I had to push the 12-volt plug a little more. I tried first using my 22.5 watt boat travel adapter, in which I've got two USB ports, one USB and one USB-C port, where I tried to plug in a couple of devices, but since it was a split and only 22.5 volt was there, it was not giving enough juice to my phone. So later I thought to change it to the original Apple adapter and tried charging my MacBook Air. I am using the Apple's MacBook adapter, which is actually a USB-C port and that supports up to 30 watt charging. Let's see what happens. When I started, the battery was 48% before plugging it in. Then I thought to give the charger a little more stress by inserting the USB cable to charge the phone along with the laptop, which is already being charged. And guess what? In good amount of time, it charged my laptop really well. It took my MacBook to go from 40 plus percent to 80%, that is 40% of juice going in. That took good 1 hour of time. So all in all, it will not be a fast charging option for you, but yeah, when you are on the road while you're traveling, you don't want to take that unnecessary stoppages to charge your gadgets, and you can simply keep it in the car, you can plug it in, and your devices can get charged. Also, as they say, slow charging is good for your gadgets because all lithium ion batteries that runs our gadgets today requires slow charging for better battery health. So all in all, here is my verdict. If I say pricing around 2000 rupees, I'm happy about it. Functionality, it's got just 115 amp port wherein you can't use multiple cable adapters. You have to go with one adapter which can give you full charge with higher voltage. Makes just sense for me. For my case, I give it a 3 out of 5 rating. What do you think about this one? Have you bought one or you're planning to buy one? Let me know in the comment section below. Here are some more accessory videos from the channel. Enjoy them. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy motoring.